Well, everyone, I'm Mario, and this is Toad, Yoshi, Luigi, and Peach. We are from the school called the Stormbird. The Stormbird. I was here with my brother Luigi. Yep. On Monday, I'm gonna pick Toad. Yeah. The next one, I'm gonna pick Princess Peach on Tuesday. Yup. And on Friday, Yoshi. And that means not Wednesday and Thursday. That means we got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And yup, that's right. And actually, on July 21 is the final day, and I'm gonna pick everyone. And I'm gonna pick everyone from Luke's room. So this time, I'm gonna pick Luigi, Yoshi, Toad, and Peach are going to the final in July 21, and it's everyone. Alright. Anyway, it's time to end, everyone. Make sure to subscribe and down below. Bye-bye. Bye. I'll see you in Monday, everyone. And Friday. And Monday too. And don't forget, Tuesday. And that means, everyone, bye-bye.